Hey there! Welcome to our channel where we help you learn everything you need to know to start and grow your own online business. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 online business ideas for beginners, discussing the pros and cons of each, and providing tips on how to get started. Starting an online business can be a great way to create financial freedom and flexibility in your life. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or replace your full-time job, there are plenty of online business ideas out there that can help you achieve your goals. Before we get started, it's important to note that there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to starting an online business. What works for one person might not work for another, and it's important to find a business idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. With that being said, let's dive into the top 5 online business ideas for beginners. 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular online business model that involves selling products without holding inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to your customers. This eliminates the need to store inventory, which can be costly and time-consuming. Tips to get started with dropshipping. Choose a niche with low competition. The key to success in dropshipping is finding a niche with low competition. This will make it easier to stand out and attract customers. Research potential suppliers and products thoroughly. When choosing a supplier, it's important to research potential suppliers thoroughly. You want to make sure they have a good reputation and can provide high-quality products. Invest in advertising and marketing. To drive traffic to your store, you'll need to invest in advertising and marketing. Consider using social media ads, Google Ads, or influencer marketing. Focus on providing excellent customer service. Since you're not in control of the shipping and fulfillment process, it's important to provide excellent customer service. This will help you build a loyal customer base and increase repeat business. Dropshipping can be a great online business model for beginners. It's affordable, flexible, and can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. However, it's important to be aware of the potential drawbacks and invest in marketing and customer service to succeed. We hope these tips will help you get started on your dropshipping journey. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. This can be a great way to monetize a blog or social media presence. Tips to get started with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Start by identifying a niche you are passionate about and familiar with. This will help you create content that resonates with your audience and promotes products that you truly believe in. Find affiliate programs. Research affiliate programs in your niche and find products that you can promote. Look for programs that offer high commissions and have a good reputation. Build your audience. Create content on your website, blog, or social media channels that attracts your target audience. Focus on providing value to your audience and building trust with them. Promote products. Once you have built an audience, start promoting affiliate products. Be sure to disclose that you are promoting affiliate products and only promote products that you believe in. Analyze and optimize. Track your results and analyze what is working and what isn't. Use this information to optimize your campaigns and improve your results. Now, to explain the advantages of affiliate marketing. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income. Once you have built an audience and established yourself as an authority in your niche, you can continue to earn commissions on sales of affiliate products without having to do any additional work. Additionally, affiliate marketing allows you to leverage the expertise and marketing efforts of others, such as the product creators and the affiliate networks. This means you can focus on creating content and building your audience, while others handle the product development and marketing. Finally, affiliate marketing can be a low-cost way to start an online business. You don't need to create your own products or invest in inventory, and many affiliate programs are free to join. Overall, affiliate marketing can be a great way to monetize your online presence and earn passive income. 3. Online course creation. If you have expertise in a particular topic, you can create and sell an online course to help others learn. This can be a lucrative online business idea, especially if you have a unique perspective or teaching style. Tips for creating an online course. Choose a topic. Start by identifying a topic that you are knowledgeable about and passionate about. It's important to choose a topic that has a market demand and is not oversaturated with other courses. Define learning outcomes. Define the specific learning outcomes that you want your students to achieve by the end of the course. This will help you create a clear structure for your course and ensure that your content is relevant to your students' needs. Create content. Create high-quality content in various formats such as video, audio, text, and visual aids. Use a mix of formats to keep your students engaged and appeal to different learning styles. Structure the course. Organize the course into logical sections and modules. Use a clear structure and labeling to make it easy for your students to navigate and find the information they need. Engage your students. Encourage engagement and interaction among your students by using discussion forums, live Q&A sessions, and other interactive features. This will help build a community around your course and improve learning outcomes. Price the course. Determine a fair price for your course based on market demand, the value it provides, and your level of expertise. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract students and increase enrollments. Launch and market the course. Launch your course and promote it through various channels such as social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Consider offering a free trial or preview to attract potential students and build buzz around your course. Creating an online course can be a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others, while also earning passive income. Online courses offer many benefits, including flexibility, scalability, and the ability to reach a global audience. With the right strategy and execution, an online course can be a valuable asset to your business or personal brand. But that's it for this video. We will be talking more about these and showing a step-by-step guide on doing everything that was mentioned, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.